Beautiful afternoon. Getting ready to head offshore for the night bite.
I was gonna pick up our car. I was gonna pick up the chum. I was gonna go check out Tractor Supply, get the oats.
Yeah.
Wave goodbye.
Well,
Yeah.
Renee's on her way over there now.
Boy, you're awfully jumpy.
Yeah. You ought to see her jump when I blow the horn on that boat. That thing's louder.
You coming or what?
Yeah. Next time. Bye, honey.
Bye, honey.
Bring back some fish.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow. Lightning strike. Damn.
Oh my.
Toast.
That's random.
Making our way. All right, well, we made it to Redfish Pass on our way to Bayronto. It's 6:11. Water's looking beautiful, not for long. Once they start dumping from Okeechobee, we probably got an hour and 20 minutes to go. We'll check in a bit. Made it to the Bayronto. No one out here but us tonight.
Any water coming out of the bilge?
No. Can't see a damn thing. Except fish coming over the rail. Than a grunt. Don't let a Goliath get you though.
Right. Big blue runner.
You can only hope, right?
Yep. Guess what it is?
Nice. Right there, fellas. Wasn't even close to the bottom.
Blue runner.
Now this ain't no blue runner. That's a good fish. Got that net panty.
Blue runner.
No. If it is, it's a fucking world record.
God damn it. Oh my God, is that a blue runner?
It is too.
Mike, I think we got a world record over here.
Do we?
I mean, you're gonna break that fucking bowl. That is a big ass blue runner. Here, you want?
Yeah.
So the front of the boat, this is accurate. Front of the boat's accurate. See? This is where we work. Oh shit! Plane snapper.
Any size to it?
Nah, not.
Not really.
But it's a
Big enough to keep,
Yeah.
probably.
So you're saying
All right.
Yo, that was on one of those fish. Those whoever has a Ziploc of fish.
Oh yeah, the cut bait
Yeah, no,
or the
yeah.
white bait.
That's
White
that's a beaut, Clark.
All right, one for the box.
That's a beaut. Can I?
One down, 39 to go. Got it?
Excellent.
that's a nice size yellowtail.
Yeah, it is.
Ah, you get it.
Very good. Another grunt.
Yeah. Okay. I'll take it. Oh, it's maybe with.
Based on how many we're catching, maybe we ought to keep it.
It's definitely yellowtail.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Small guy.
Yep. No, nice one. Excellent. Just drifting it back.
Here.
They don't pull, so you gotta like randomly tug to see if something's there because it's so hard to
I'm
tell.
trying to pull this fucking thing off.
He's on again. The Kevin show.
But it's definitely
Another yellow.
I'd still think. Hey, if you keep going like this, I'm pretty sure we all just need to switch to fucking that guy. Well, all them fucking oats. There you go. You ready? Eric, what are you doing?
Obviously, I don't know. Come on.
Come on. Be a blue runner. Be a blue runner.
I believe it is the way it's fighting.
It does have that pumping action that nobody wants. Don't be blue. Don't be blue.
It looks blue to me.
Fucking A. God damn.
Yeah, I know.
You probably got some whole lot better than that she was no way in hell gonna get.
I think that's good. I'm happy with this.
this is yellowtail. Coming in hot.
Yeah, right.
Here's the net.
Thank you.
They got small ones, but it is a yellowtail. Whatever it is, it's the same thing. AJ's, like your buddies.
No, they ain't HSs. Big blue runner, guaranteed.
Yeah.
Eric.
No thanks, really.
Eric, you want it?
I appreciate the offer.
Don't you want to know the joy?
Could be a 26-inch yellowtail.
Hey, pull that. They always go right for the other pole.
What's this, just on the bottom?
Yeah, that's just that was a tester, you know. Favorite knots on DVD.
Blue runners are back. We are back in business.
You need to get over here with that GoPro. This is like a.
I just turned this.
This
one
is
on.
like a cooking show.
I just turned this one on.
I think it needs some nutmeg.
I think it's soupy enough. Cause you ain't gonna get it up with that spoon because it's got slots in it. Oh, there's no top. I thought that thing flew out the door.
Oh, the top.
Yeah, the top of that.
Well, I think this is probably a blue runner.
No blue runner. The blue runner.
Yellowtail.
Oh my God, it's a flag. It's a yellowtail. There you go.
On the board.
Finally got the stink off.
Hey, hey.
There it is.
Thanks
Thank
for
you.
letting us catch him. Come on. Yellowtail. Woo! It's my turn.
Come on this side, Tom.
I don't need your stitches. Flag. Damn. Yellow.
Sweet. Thank you.
Eric, what's your secret?
You know. Oh, you got mine.
That doesn't even look like a yellowtail.
Yeah, it is. That's the size we were catching last year, right there.
Wow. Or something with teeth. But I'm gonna lose anyway.
You just upgrade? I think you
No.
just upgrade.
Gonna need a net.
I don't think I'm getting this thing. Maybe, I don't know.
It's just a song. I just really get into the song. Uh-oh. I might have upgraded. This feels like an upgrade.
Mangrove. Hell of a nice fish right there. They're all nice. Look at the size of those yellowtail. 20 yellowtail, 1 mangrove, and 1 lane. Good night. Okay, cleaning yellowtail. Get behind the head, down to the spine, turn the blade. Down the tail, stop right there. Flip it over, do it again. boning knife. Get behind them ribs. Look for your pin bones.
Well, we've got this one over here too.
I like the small blade much better for taking out the rib cage. Pin bone action.